myself Shashwat Pandey, and I am a data engineer in one of the product-based companies. So I am creating this PySpark playlist where I'll tell you the good questions that of PySpark that are asked in majorly all product-based companies. So this was the question which was asked in Deloitte. So this question basically says that suppose we have one table which contains three columns, City1, City2, City3, and in each column we have the city name or null values or an empty string. So we have to generate an output table which has only one column result, and in that one column result we will have all the distinct city names. Suppose we have city one, all distinct cities. Suppose we have cities like Goa, AP, BLR, but here we have two times AP, but in our output only one time AP will be present. So in PySpark, I approach that we can create a list of all the cities which is not either null or not an empty string. So our list will look like something like Goa, AP, comma AP one more time because here two times AP is present, and last is BLR. So our list would look like this. So, but we in our output table we have to remove the duplicates. So we will remove the duplicates from the list. So our final list would be like Goa, comma AP, comma BLR. So this would be our final result out list, and from this list we can create the table. So let's jump to the code. So here I am having the schema or table creation script. So city one is so this is our final table, input table, sorry, which contains different cities name, and so I was talking about empty string, which is this. So we don't have to add this empty string or null values in our output. So first we have to convert all these cities uh, into a list. So for list we can first we have to create like empty list, and there is one function of data frame using which we can iterate row by row. So I will show you like for suppose I iterated all the rows one by one in the input table. So I will use like df.collect. So first let's see. So yeah, so this how this would be our output when we iterate row by row on our input table. So suppose we want to use city one or city two, so we would like use like I of city one. So this would only print all the name of city which is present in each row in city one column. So like yeah, city Goa null value. This is null value, and this is none. So basically this is empty. So yeah. So suppose we approaching to our code. First we decided that we have to add all the city name in a list. So we will add like for I in df.collect. So first we have to talk about city one column. So if we have two conditions that the city name should not be empty, so we will write like city 1 is not empty, that is none, and city name should not be empty string, so city 1 should not be empty string, right? Once this criteria will met, so we will append that city name into our list, or I can directly copy it. Okay, yeah. So this part is only for city 1. So suppose we went for the row 1, and in row 1 we were fetched city 1. So city 1 should not be an empty string, or not and also not null. So only then we will add the city value into our resultant list. So I will copy this. We have to also do the same for city 2 and city 3. So that's why I'm copying it. So this one is for city 2, and this third one is for city 3. So what it will do, like it will fetch all the city name which are not an empty string, and not an null value. So let me print first that I will show you what is our list containing right now. As you can see, like Goa, AP, BLR. So these are all the city names which we wanted. But here you can see I have two times AP, which I discussed in the Excel sheet. Sorry, yeah, in here only we have two times AP. So I have to remove the duplicates. So now I'm removing the duplicates. We can either remove the duplicates from directly here, like I can first create the set of all the values stored in this list, and then from that set I can again recreate the list. Or else I what can do, like I will use data frame API command to remove the duplicates. But it was majorly focusing on our PySpark skills, so that's why I will not use here Python skill to like recreate the set and then list. I will use only df command. So first I have to create the data for our data frame. So I will use like value comma for value in our list. So what it will do, it will create the all the values for our data frame, and for our data frame we also have to create our output sorry column schema. So I will use your result string. What it will do, it will create one column result whose data type would be string. So this is our resultant data frame from where I can create our resultant data frame. Data equal to data, comma schema equal to scheme. Now I will display the data frame which has been created. This is our resultant data frame which I have created using this duplicate values list. So as you can see, our resultant data frame has been created, but only the part which is left is that we have to remove the duplicates from this resultant data frame. So what would I will do? Like I would use df underscore res equal to, I will use drop duplicates command to remove the duplicates from the data frame. Now I have generated the resultant data frame which from which duplicates have been removed. And yeah, that's all about today. Thank you. And if you like this video, then do comment and share with your friends so that they can also be benefited.